Is the largest family in the world. Ziona Chanas is the head of the world's largest family, and it's mind-blowing. His family has a whopping 39 wives, 94 children, 33 grandchildren, and 14 daughters-in-law. But what's even crazier is that they all live in the same big house with 4 floors. This house sits in a village on a hill in India. Ziona is the leader of a religious group allowing people to marry as many wives as they like. Ziona has his own double bed, but his wives all sleep together in large communal dormitories, but they have lots of space to sleep comfortably. The youngest wife usually sleeps closest to Ziona's bedroom, probably because she's the newest member of the family. Zath Yungi, his oldest wife, takes charge of organizing the other wives to handle the daily household chores, running the compound with incredible precision. The house even has its own school and a big vegetable garden to feed everyone in the family. They use a rotation system so that his wives take turns sharing his bed.